Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial on setting up Wix Hotel Reservation Settings. In this video, I will guide you through the process of configuring your hotel's reservation system on Wix.com. So first thing first, what you need to do is go to your Wix.com. There, you need to log in or sign up using a suitable password, an email account, or a Google account, and in this way, after signing up or login, you will be directed to your dashboard or to your home screen on Wix.com. Now you see, this is the dashboard or the home screen. Now you have to create the site in order to get the hotel reservation, or the second option is that you need to go to your website or directly through your home screen. So let's just say I am going to create the site on Wix.com by clicking on Create New Site. But if you already have a site, you don't have to worry about this. You only have to go to your website. But since you're a newbie and I'm going to teach the newbies about how to do it, so let's just say I skip this part. Now you have to answer simple questions and it is going to prepare a dashboard for you. You see, there are only a few 3 to 4 or maybe 5 to 6 simple steps by which you would be able to create the website. What are your goals for this site? I'm going to skip this. Skip and continue to dashboard. Now you see there are 2 methods by which you will be able to start the hotel reservation, but the main one that I'm going to choose is not from here but from the design side. So let's just go click on the design side. Now you see you have 2 options. Either you can use AI to generate the design for you, or you can also use customized template. Now, if you have so much time and you have your idea of your own and you're looking for something new, something innovative, then you can use generate the design with AI in order to start from the scratch. But I think this is more of a labor bout and I don't think you have to do it. But for me, I usually and mostly pick a template because it is way more easy and it provides way more innovative ideas. So you see there are so many websites. I can choose any one of these. Let's just say I choose this one, Creative CV. I'm going to click on this one. Now what I'm going to do is that in the meantime it is taking time to prepare my site. Let me just tell you 5 to 6 steps by which you will be able to enter the hotel reservation and manage it. Enable a hotel booking app by going to the website. Now there are 2 options. You can do that directly or you can go to your website to find the hotel reservation. I'm going to show you how to do it from the website first, and then I'm going to show you how you're going to do it through your dashboard. So you need to go to your Add Apps option. Here you need to type here hotels. Here, when you click on the hotels, it is going to provide you the apps that you're looking for. I am looking for Wix Hotels. You can also use Airbnb or whatever the option you're looking for. You can add it to the site if it is already installed. You have to read all these very carefully, that it is going to manage your coupons, real basic site business, transactions, and embedded script. If you agree to all of these, you are going to click on agree and add. Then it is going to install this to your website and to your Wix. Let's just wait for about 2 to 3 minutes. You see this is going to configure the hotel settings, set up the room types, configure the hotel bookings, availability and pricing. You can customize your booking forms and simply publish your hotel booking. You see it has here. This has given me my website and how it's going to appear. Let's just say I can edit these details according to what I want. So this is how you're going to add the hotel reservation. Standard room, silver, and all these things. You see there are so many options. You can edit these according to what your preference is. But what is the second option? So the second option is that you are going to go to your home screen, to your dashboard, let's just say I answer these simple questions to get to my home screen. You see, I was telling you about the dashboard, that how you're going to do it. Just skip all the questions and this is the dashboard that is going to appear. Now you see, what I'm going to do is cancel these. These are my dashboards. Now, after you install these options, you will be getting an option of the hotel reservations here too, where you would be able to manage your hotels and you will be able to manage what you're looking for here. Here you see, if you like these, you are going to cancel the reservation, you are going to change the settings, and in this way you will be able to put a description on your website that what you're looking for. You need to make the necessary changes here, or you're going to go click on preview to see how it's going to appear on your desktop mode. You can also check it out on the mobile mode. These are the changes here. Now what you can do is go to your switch to mobile mode to check how it's going to appear on your mobile. Here. Still, you can make so many changes since this is only for the sake of the video, so I have not made any changes, but if you're looking for something professional, you're definitely going to go check out the changes too. So yeah, I have told you two methods. One is that you can do it from the website by clicking on installing the Wix Hotel Rooms, or you can simply go check it out on your home screen website. So after you review it and you are done with all what you're looking for, you will be able to publish your hotel bookings from here. So you need to use very clear and concise language, add high quality image, or you can also set clear booking policies that you're looking for. After that, you will be able to publish it. So yeah, that's it. This is how you will be able to successfully set up your Wix Hotel reservation settings. With Wix Hotel Booking app, you can easily manage your hotel reservations and bookings. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next tutorial.